In a remote village, elders spoke of a mysterious figure who could summon lightning. One stormy night, a young scientist named Alex ventured into the woods, determined to uncover the truth. As thunder roared, Alex discovered an ancient stone circle glowing with energy. Suddenly, a bolt of lightning struck, revealing a shadowy figure. "I am the guardian of nature's secrets," it whispered. Alex realized the figure was a manifestation of the Earth's energy, protecting the balance of nature. The twist? Alex was chosen as the next guardian. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.